Well, on this Giving Tuesday, why not consider giving the gift of health? Tamara Pope from the Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation joins us this morning. Thanks very much for joining us. I bet you're glad you didn't have to drive in. You can do this from home today.
Very much so, Annette. Lovely to see you.
Nice to see you as well. So this is a nice way this year that we can recognize the staff at Hamilton Health Sciences. And it's kind of a thank you for all of the work that they've done, not just every day, but during the pandemic.
Very much so. I mean, the teams have been providing care for patients on an ongoing basis throughout this crisis. They are truly on the front lines, and it is an opportunity for the community to show their support to these amazing people, the doctors, the nurses, the clinicians, the administrators, who have really worked around the clock to ensure vital care for patients really across the network of Hamilton Health Sciences.
Because a lot of us, we complain about pandemic fatigue, but these people, they don't have a chance to do that, right? They're facing it and facing the dangers firsthand.
They are indeed. And for many of them, they view it as their calling. They're very dedicated. They're working long hours. And they're, of course, having to take extra precautions to keep themselves safe, their families safe, and the patients safe. And it doesn't matter whether they're working on a COVID unit or anywhere in the hospitals. They really need to put in that extra time and energy, and they are doing so and providing amazing care to the community.
So the theme of this year's campaign is "It's always vital to care." How much do you hope to raise, and where will the money go? Because I think a lot of people just think, well, the government pays for health care, so why does a hospital need money?
The government pays for health care, but the government doesn't pay for equipment in our hospitals. And so the Foundation and the Gift of Health campaign is really in place this holiday season to enable us to purchase life-saving and life-altering equipment that is needed. Of course, during a pandemic, many of us have seen nurses sharing vital sign monitors and those types of things. Well, they can't do that in a pandemic. So we need more equipment now. I mean, we always need more equipment, but now it's even more vital than ever. And it's absolutely essential to support research and continuing education. As we all know, this pandemic and clinical care in general needs ongoing research to ensure that causes, treatments, and cures can be found for many of the diseases that the teams at Hamilton Health Sciences provide care for.
So how much do you hope to raise?
The annual holiday campaign, we're hoping to raise $500,000.
Okay. And on this Giving Tuesday, is there a target for today?
We are kicking off the campaign today publicly. So we're really hoping that the community can get behind us and give the gift of health and show their gratitude. We encourage everyone to give the gift of health, wear a mask, wash your hands, and make a donation at giftofhealth.ca.
Right, because until the end of this month, your donation could be doubled.
That is correct. We have 3 very generous donors who are matching donations up to $140,000 this year. So we encourage everyone, large or small, every dollar counts, and it's the cumulative impact that will really make a difference for the teams in the hospitals this year.
Okay, Tamara, good luck with your campaign, and if I don't see you, have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Annette, to you as well, and to all the team at CHCH.